Hey beauties, so today I'm going to do a get ready with me video. I'm not going to do a tutorial today. This is just a look that I always wear or do whenever I feel so lazy, and of course if I'm really in a hurry. So I hope you've enjoyed this one, guys. And yes, I'm wearing an orange towel on my head, so let's get started. So I guess we're all done here, and I will be having a video on how I do my hairstyle on this one, so better check on that. And I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this one, guys, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next one, guys. Love you all. Peace.